This free tutorial, we're going to show you how you can create social media edits fast in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1, open up Capcut PC and go to the top left hand screen and scroll to the right until you see the option Templates. Underneath Templates, you want to click the drop down arrow and go to the For You page and type in the search bar Trent space edits and then click enter on your keyboard, and you can pick a Trent edit according of your choice. Underneath Trent space edit, we're gonna pick the phone or this one right here. In order to create or replicate this edit, go to the bottom right hand screen and click the plus or add to track. And go back to the import tab because we're going to be importing 17 images. As you can see on the timeline, there has to be 17 clips to be replaced, so click here. And basically for each and every one, if you click, you're going to have to replace. So replace all 17 images of your choice. Once you're happy or satisfied with the images that you have replaced, this is what we have. Now, if you're happy or satisfied, you can export your social media edit. But if you want to change the audio, you can click, select and highlight, go to the top right hand screen, underneath video and music volume, drag this to the left. So now it's negative infinity or it is completely silent. And then go back to your import tab and locate a social media edit or audio of your choice, and then click to hide and drag this on top of the video clip. Right click and click extract audio, and then click and delete or backspace the video clip. And now you have a free social media TikTok edit completely for free. Completely for free.